Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. BOBBIE Nails recently released their Ultra Shine line of nail polishes. And in today's video, I'll be trying out 3 shades, which are Naughty Nude, Fringe, and Gleam. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Let's take a closer look at the 3 shades. Now, let's remove them from the packaging. Okay, so it's taped on the packaging. Now let's remove the tape from the bottle. So now let's swatch these 3 shades. So before swatching these 3 shades, I'm applying base coat, and I'm using BOBBIE's Peel Off Nail Mask. I'm swatching Naughty Nude first. Now for the second coat. It has a very creamy light nude shade. And I can say it really is super shiny. Next we have is Fringe. Looks super good in one coat. But for consistency, I'm applying a second coat. Fringe has a muted mauve shade, and once again, it's super shiny. Lastly, we have is Gleam, and this one has a subtle blue-gray shimmer. Now for the second coat. Gleam has a dark dusty gray shade with a bluish gray shimmer. After swatching the 3 nail polishes, let's try it using on a stamping plate. Loving the formulation of BOBBIE Ultra Shine. It dries super fast and the application is super smooth. It really has a super shiny, or shall I say, an ultra shine finish. One bottle is 55 pesos and it's in a 12 ml bottle. If you guys enjoyed today's swatch and review video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!